Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by arming remote mines and assigning them to a quick gadget slot. This gives you immediate access in fights. Once done, scan the area to identify choke points and obvious routes where enemies cluster. That maximizes value. Place mines on floors or vertical surfaces and hold your aim to preview the blast radius, because proper spacing prevents wasted detonations and friendly harm. Make sure to stagger distances so one explosion can chain to another. Now focus on timing and combos to convert placement into kills. You want to bait or herd enemies into the mine zones. Use a quick stun or line-of-sight maneuver to bunch them up, then detonate. Once done, combine remote mines with shock blast or impact webs to amplify damage and prevent escape, because elemental combos break defenses faster. Keep moving. Trigger mines as you dodge or launch into the air to maintain pressure and avoid getting trapped in your own explosions. Finish engagements by immediately sweeping the blast area to clear survivors with melee, webs, or a follow-up gadget, since mines often leave weakened foes. If mines don't detonate, make sure you had gadget ammo and that remote mines were properly equipped. Re-equip in the loadout if needed. Finally, when explosions trigger too early or are blocked, reposition your placements. Walls or debris can occlude line of sight, so move to a clearer vantage and try again to restore reliable detonations.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.